It's not an implementable order, beta. All it's going to do is to create a law and order situation. In the last 3 hours, we have received over 3.5 lakh emails from people in Delhi saying, "Hum to ladenge." Are we going to have fighting in this peaceful, beautiful city? So this is not implementable. See, it will cost the government over 15,000 crores to even make the shelters. Or फिर अगर कभी जगह मिले, that is if they find a place to construct the shelters, it will cost them 5 crores a week just in feeding. They will have to employ 1.5 lakh more people to look after them. फायदा क्या है?
And there is no infrastructure in Delhi. NGOs are raising this question.
There is no infrastructure anywhere in India, Beti. All the shelters are run privately. Government has never made a government shelter. एक होता था 30,000 में, वो कब का बंद कर दिया?
And government has said there are 77 shelters. What do you have to say about that?
This word 77 was actually given to the MCD by me on Friday. And what was it when we had a meeting with Mr. Kapil Mishra, the minister? We said कि आपने 77 clinics बंद क्यों किए? 20 साल से बंद हैं, खंडर बन गए हैं, and these are not shelters. These are small rooms for a one-man doctor to do medicine in that colony. You know, like you have mohalla clinics? This is a mohalla clinic, which government shut down about 20 years ago, and which we are in court saying खोलो. तो अगर आप खोलेंगे भी तो कितने कुत्ते आएंगे 77 में? एक कमरे में 3 कुत्ते, तो कितने 100 कुत्ते, 150 कुत्ते. So this is nonsense. Now they're just throwing around figures.
And Supreme Court in yesterday's order said if anybody tries to stop, the action should be taken against them. What do you have to say about such a strong word?
Bete, that entire judgment was given in anger, and nothing ever given in anger makes sense or is good for anybody. I appreciate the judge being concerned about the issue, but this is not the solution to it, because this will create, as I said, law and order. Har gali mein, the vans, when they go to pick up the dogs, they will be fighting on the street. How many people will the police arrest?